Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kalissa. Hi, this is a very different video for me to do. It is a little bit because I don't really like to share anything other than makeup things that I buy, because I'm a little bit private in that area. But I thought it would be a fun video to make. Like, it's always like weird because like you never know if like the people that are looking at the video are gonna like judge you, right, for like getting like something so crazy. Hopefully not. Hopefully everybody's just positive, because I still have my fair share of always feeling guilty about getting stuff like this. I don't know what in my mind possessed me to do this, really, I don't. And I decided to call just for fun. I don't know why this quarantine like really hit me, and just for fun I called Louis Vuitton customer service because I saw the video, these because I watch ASMR videos, and so I saw Mad's ASMR, and then a little bit over a month after I saw Grace ASMR. They have the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpacks, and I was like, I'm in love with them both. And when I saw that they had it, I don't know why, I was just like, oh! Like, I always saw it kind of like as a, like, I'm never gonna get that. Me, never in a million years am I gonna get that. Like, that's for famous people. I called for fun Louis Vuitton, and I was like, oh, I have this bag for my birthday. I was like, I think it's called like Palm Springs Mini or something. Like, I was just ready for rejection. I didn't want her to be like, no, that's sold out, stupid bitch, like you can't get that. It's like, okay, oh, so it's your birthday. And then she was just so sweet, and I was like just so flabbergasted, because online I feel like they're so much nicer than they are in the store. Like, I prefer shopping online. She was like, well, it's not available right now, but what I can do is I can send out a message to like corporate or whatever and see if they approve you to be able to buy the bag. And I was like, okay, sure. And I'm thinking like, approve me? Who am I, freaking Princess Diana II? Like, they're not gonna approve me. I was like, oh yeah, sure, no problem. I'm like, so what happens if they don't approve me? I didn't think anything of it, because I promise you that I was not even like, I knew in my head, I was like, she's not gonna call me back. I'm not gonna, who's gonna approve me? A week goes by, I get a call from a weird number. I answered this call, and she was like, hi, this is so-and-so from Louis Vuitton, and I just wanted to let you know they did approve you, so we can go ahead and get that order for you. And I was like, I legit said, can I call you back? Like, my dad doesn't know like the stuff that I buy, and like I think he does know low-key, but we won't talk about it. And so I like talked it over with my mom that day, and my mom was like, they approved you to get that bag? My mom was like, if you really want it. I was like, no, don't say that, just get it. Me? You want me to be the director of the Christmas play? Okay. Next day in the morning, got in touch with her, ordered the bag. All the time I get a purse, I always like to get a matching wallet. That's just something that my mom has always done. So we looked over some wallets, and the one that I was interested in getting was called the micro wallet, and it did come out this year. And the micro wallet, when I saw it in person, I didn't like it because I just felt like it was too small. Like, it folded. It was super small. It was like this small. It did have a slot. It had credit card like sections. I like having a zipper pocket in my wallet. I always have. It's like an insurance kind of thing for me. Like, if I do have coins, I'm able to put them in the zippy pocket in my wallet where they're supposed to go. That was something that I didn't like about it. And online, obviously, I did notice that it didn't have that in it. But I was just so excited that I didn't really think about it too much. And if you're not 100% satisfied, you shouldn't have the product. I try not to be picky, but you might say, no, you're picky, and that's okay. Got the wallet, and it was smooth leather. And for some reason, like, that just really scared me, because the wallet, you use the wallet a lot, you're constantly taking out the wallet. It's just something about like having that smooth leather when you opened up the wallet that I didn't like. I just thought that I would scratch it, that it would get wear and tear like really easily. We'll talk about what happened with the Palm Springs Mini when I get my newest one. You're gonna be like, well, anyways, I was looking for wallets, and I think I came across, I want to say her name is Presley, but I'm not 100% sure. So I think I saw her video, and she had this wallet that she took out, and I was like, hold up, what is that? I fell in love. I looked up the name, I looked up videos on it, and I was like, this is the wallet for me. And the wallet that I'm talking about is the Recto Verso wallet by Louis Vuitton. This puppy, I just got it in the mail this morning. I cannot wait to get my hands dirty using this. I swear that just seeing it in person, it is so beautiful, and it's exactly what I wanted in a wallet. I wanted a smaller wallet because obviously I'm getting the Palm Springs Mini backpack, which is a small purse. So this, I feel, is going to be absolutely perfect. It's just as big as I would want and just as small as I would want. It comes in 2 different styles. The style that I got is obviously the monogram. Now this was sold out for a while. When I tried to get it, which was in the beginning of October, it had been sold out since October. And then because of the incident that happened with my Palm Springs Mini, I had called and got that issue resolved. And then I just asked to see if this was available to order, even though I had called. I believe that was the 4th time that I have called to see if this was available to order through the phone. And I was just expecting for him to say no. And he's like, I actually think that you could order it. He checked and it was available, and I swear that I was like, have looked down upon me and granted me with my last Christmas wish. This is my Christmas gift to myself. Comes just like this. I think this is 5 inches. Now it comes with the monogram canvas print, and then in the back this is the cow treated leather, and this is a monogram print as well. It comes with 3 slots on the cow leather and then 1 slot in here. In the front it comes with a pocket that you open up. You have a pocket in here, I believe is what it's called. And then inside here is like a hidden compartment which can fit receipts and stuff. And then it has an L zipper closure, and it has, I won't be using it to like attach it to anywhere. The idea of having the wallet outside of my purse isn't smart to me. I really do love this, and if you're wondering, mine says made in France. Cow treated leather on the inside as well, which is supposed to be better for like wear and tear. All the gold hardware, it is very gold, very shiny. I will show you this packed, and I will give you some thoughts on what I feel about this wallet once I get into wearing it. Box, obviously it did come in a dust bag, and I wonder, like, if you guys know, please let me know, what is the point of like a dust bag? Because they say not to leave it in the dust bag because of like the leather. Like it says, they say that like the leather has to breathe. So what's the point of the dust bag? But yeah, that is it. That is all I have to tell you guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please be on the lookout for any new videos that I post. Be on the lookout for my Palm Springs video, which will be coming once I receive my product, film, edit, and all that jazz. And yeah, I'm really excited with my purchase. I love it. It was exactly what I was hoping it would be. When I first saw it, holding it in my hands, it's exactly how it looked and how I feel like it would have felt online in person. It's perfect. I love it. I'm so excited to use it. It's going to be a great addition for my Palm Springs Mini. And that is all I have to tell you guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to be notified when I post new videos. And I hope my little bembas have a blessed day. Bye.